G'day guys, it's Tim here. I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend and you're looking forward to the week ahead. I just wanted to quickly jump on live, let you guys know in just under an hour I'm going to be featured on Today Tonight. I know normally people are being chased down the road by cameras, right? No, that's not me, right? So basically Today Tonight wanted to talk to us about the concept of rent investing. They also spoke to a couple of our clients that are doing this. We have so many of our clients that are now rent investing purely and simply because it's a much smarter, better and cheaper way to reach your financial goals. Rent investing is something that I've been doing for the past, 18 odd years now. It's what primarily has allowed me to build the portfolio of properties that I own and live the kind of life that I want to live. So I just really wanted to jump on the Facebook Live and let you guys know if it's something that you're interested in doing. And really what it comes down to is being able to live where you want to live and own what is a good investment. All right, so get on, check out Today Tonight at 6:30 on Channel 7, and we'll also get that shared on the Facebook page as well, so other people can see exactly what the concept is, how beneficial it is, and how it might be able to work for someone like you. All right, guys, that's pretty much it from me. Just wanted to do a quick one jumping on tonight. Have a great week, and look forward to check out the segment. All right, speak to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.